Welcome to this Hevo Data Learning Labs video demonstration. Today, let's perform object configuration as part of the Pipeline Wizard. Previously, recordings and videos were provided demonstrating how to set up the source, destination, and pipeline. Now let's select the objects that you want to replicate from the source to the destination, and you can see this full list in front of you. You can optionally come in and edit these if you want to change which particular fields you will pull from any of the individual objects. So you have the full ability to manage this environment. In this case, let's select all the objects, and then you simply need to hit Save and Continue to complete this pipeline. While waiting for it to finalize, you will get a summary. It shows you all the information from the source to the destination to the pipeline configuration and object configuration. And then, finally, if you want to change anything, if you can go back into the wizard and modify anything you need to change before you start this pipeline. But with everything looking correct at this point, let's acknowledge that if we can't connect to your network, we won't be able to run the pipeline. With that said, let's save the pipeline. This completes our video demonstration for the day. Thank you so much for joining.